Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up Shopify orders to Google Drive using automated exports step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the Apps section from the left sidebar. Search for an app that specializes in order exports, such as Easy Exporter or Data Export Reports. Install the chosen app by clicking on the Add App button. Once installed, open the app to start configuring your export settings. Select the type of data you want to export, in this case, choose Orders. Decide on the specific fields you want to include in your export. Adjust any additional settings, such as the file format for your export, typically CSV or Excel. Next, look for options regarding automated scheduling for your exports. Set the frequency for the automated exports according to your needs, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly. Now, configure the destination for your exported files by selecting Google Drive. You may need to authenticate and grant access to the Shopify app. Follow the prompts to link your Google Drive properly. Choose the specific folder in Google Drive where you want the exported orders to be saved. Once all settings are configured, save your changes within the app. Review your setup to ensure everything looks correct before finalizing. Test the export feature to make sure your orders are being backed up properly to Google Drive. Monitor your Google Drive to confirm that the backups are being generated according to the schedule you set up. Adjust any settings if necessary, based on your review of the exported data. Congratulations, you've successfully set up automated exports of Shopify orders to Google Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.